Grow Up show has been fantastic.
So many new opportunities here.
Sales are fantastic.
Rapidly growing industry, and this is the hub of it.
I love the way Grow Up brings together the business and the culture of cannabis, and it keeps the faith.
Grow Up in Niagara is a premier event.
It enables small businesses to interact and network.
For me, it's all about the network.
Networking. There's so many different people
that you just clearly wouldn't meet on your everyday path.
We've done some good business while we're here. Nothing beats meeting people face to face.
The show's been great and a lot of foot traffic for us.
We've made lots of great connections.
We've made a few sales out there.
We've made some really good contacts already early in the show.
Conferences like this are absolutely key.
Providing a lot of useful information.
Seminars, which is great. A lot of people can learn from each other.
Medical cannabis can't manage all pain for all patients. But the future is way bigger than that. And the future, by the way, goes beyond THC and CBD.
Be courageous. You don't let fears stop you.
I've learned a lot and I'm trying to share it.
To share value with the people, especially new people coming in the market.
It's absolutely a B2B show.
People are here to do business.
We signed 3 contracts. I've got 2 international contracts that we're probably going to sign.
Great place to meet people, to collaborate.
Really appreciate the awards ceremony, the networking.
It's been a great show. We've come up with a lot of positive leads.
It's really great to come together as an industry, to find like-minded individuals, to find out what others are doing, and to really learn from each other.
Thank you, Grow Up. It's been exceptional.